Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel.
Today we are going to see 20 lines on the importance of good manners. Good manners are essential for leading a respectful and peaceful life. They teach us how to behave properly with others. Saying simple words like please, thank you, and sorry shows politeness. Good manners help us make friends and keep them. They make us more thoughtful and caring individuals. Respecting elders and listening patiently are signs of good manners. In school, good manners create a positive learning environment. They encourage teamwork, kindness, and discipline. People with good manners are admired and trusted by others. Good manners help us control anger and avoid fights. They show that we care about the feelings of others. At home, good manners help build love and understanding in the family. In public, they help us behave responsibly and with dignity. Holding the door open or helping someone in need are examples of manners in action. They reflect our upbringing and the values we learn from parents and teachers. Good manners make our society more civilized and happy. They are important in school, at home, in public, and even online. Practicing good manners every day makes them a habit. A well-mannered person spreads positivity wherever they go. We should always use good manners to become better people and good citizens. Thanks for watching. Please share, like and subscribe my channel.